Hello from Hummelvik. Yes, we are still in Södermanlands län, or shortly called Sörmland, and the city of Nyköping. Actually, this rocky beach is located 22 kilometers from central Nyköping. It is obviously out on the Baltic Sea, and you see beautiful nature with beautiful rocks out on the Baltic Sea. Today is 25th of June and outdoor temperature right now is 26 degrees Celsius and feels like a temperature of 25 degrees, meaning that the sea is also very warm. For myself, I got here with my Ghost, and from where I'm staying here it took me 26.5 kilometers, exactly 1 hour. So if you count that, I had 26.5 kilometers per hour speed. And yeah, it has been a wonderful Midsummer Eve celebration on Friday and Midsummer Day celebration yesterday. So now we are finally going back to basics. It's a Sunday, it's still a day off, but we won't be having any holidays here in Sweden up until Christmas. So that's 5 months away, right? Almost 6 months. So yes, the next red day is 24th of December, Christmas Eve. But until then, we're gonna have a lot more beach adventures, and this is the 4th day I'm here in Nyköping, in Sörmland region. That's a different region from Stockholm. And in Nyköping, you can get easily by train from central Stockholm. There are trains like every hour, and it takes like 1 hour to reach Nyköping. And then of course in Nyköping it's a city, so you can browse around, and the nearest beach on the sea, it's around 9 kilometers from the center, which we already visited in the previous vlogs. This one is a bit more further, but I really like the rocky beaches, and as you can see, I'm all alone here. So practically you can also find your own spot here and even be nude, actually, as long as you don't disturb other people, but there's no one here to disturb, right? All right, let's dive in and enjoy this wonderful Sunday here in Nyköping, Sweden. This is not my first time here. I was last year as well, but there was no vlog that I was running back then. So yes, okay, I could probably jump, but I don't feel like jumping, to be fair. I'm tired from the cycling. So we're gonna go in nice and steady. So last year when I was here, there were huge waves, because this is practically open sea here, and the archipelago starts from here. You see those islands. Okay, nice. Here we have some stones, rocks with seaweed on them. Let's see. Perfect. All right, water is so nice, and let's dive in right away. Brilliant, super sunny Sunday in Sweden. So finally the high summer season started, and you can see that there is no one here. So I'm not sure where are the people. Probably traveling to Mediterranean countries or some crowded public beaches. But myself, I really like to enjoy in this type of natural habitats. Beautiful, beautiful. So to get here, you will need to head to Hummelvik, either by car, bus, I think that goes, or bicycle. And there is then approximately 1 kilometer walk or bicycle ride through the forest. And you're out on the open sea here. It's beautiful. And yes, this is the Nyköping archipelago that starts here. You can see many different islands. I was also once on actually several times on boat trips here. There are so many beautiful and secluded islands that you can be their own for the day. You can camp there, make some nice grill, enjoy out on the sea. So maybe we should do some boat trip adventure someday. Yes, we're gonna do that. So watch out for a boat trip adventure coming soon on Beach Adventures with Chris. So happy Sunday everyone, wherever you are, and thanks for watching. Bye.